Welcome to this Clamp-On presentation. This video shows how easy a hygienic temperature sensor is mounted in a plant without stopping production. It describes the sensor and how it works. The LABOM Clamp-On temperature sensor is a very versatile device. It is mainly used for sterilization processes. The sensor shown here has a 4-segment LED display and is fitted with a clamp block for mounting on a pipe. We will now show you how easy it is to mount the sensor on the length of pipe. The clamp block is opened. The device is placed on the pipe and the block is closed with a few screws. The device clamps the pipe with a defined contact force. No welding is needed and plant production doesn't stop. Next, the temperature sensor is connected electrically and a temperature value appears on the indication module. The indication module can be turned from left to right so that the display can be read from different angles. Production continues uninterrupted and the line is not modified in any way. Mounting the clamp-on device is a simple and straightforward operation. It is also very easily repositioned and disassembled. Let's take a closer look inside. Here you can see the PT100 temperature sensor in position on top of the pipe. It transmits the signal carrying the temperature to a controller and to the indication module. This is how the measuring insert looks from the inside. The temperature sensor consists of a silver tip shaped to fit the pipe. The PT100 element is situated as close as possible on top of the pipe. Silver is used here because of its excellent heat transfer properties. A plastic element provides thermal insulation. It prevents measurements from being corrupted by heat dissipation. An air cushion provides additional insulation at the temperature pickup point. An integrated spring ensures that the sensor element exerts constant pressure on the pipe surface. Thus, it compensates for tolerances when the pipe expands and contracts due to temperature variations. Best contact is always maintained between sensor and pipe surface. Now we want to show you how easy it is to recalibrate the LABOM Clamp-On sensor. You simply unscrew the temperature sensor and remove it from the clamp block. There is no disruption to the process. The clamping block that defines the measuring spot remains on the pipe. We recommend the use of a dry calibrator equipped with a customized insert to hold the sensor being calibrated to keep the whole process very quick. You can, of course, use a conventional calibrator if you wish. See your calibration guidelines for Clamp-On model series for details. We recommend that a reference sensor be mounted in the calibrator close to the clamp-on temperature sensor being calibrated. As you can see here, the reference sensor indicates 120 degrees Celsius. The sensor being calibrated is placed in the customized insert. After an adaptation period, the accuracy of the clamp-on temperature sensor can be assessed by comparing it with the reference sensor. It is then adjusted if necessary. Finally, the device is easily remounted on the pipe. The original process connection is unchanged. A variety of clamping options are available. Due to its modular design, you can combine any casing with any connection. For instance, for fitting a head transmitter, an integrated transmitter with field housing. Other options work with M12 plug connectors and various connection heads. Can be combined with diverse pipe sizes. There are clamp blocks for larger pipes and tightening straps for pipe external diameters up to 57 millimeters. All these process connections are simple and easy to install. A mounting bracket can be used instead of the clamp block to mount devices in tight spaces, for example near walls or close to other pipes. In this example, you can see how the device is mounted between two lines using a mounting bracket. In this case, the bottom part of the clamp block is replaced by a bracket instead of a clamp block. The bracket is loosened to allow the block to be fitted to the pipe. The screw is then re-tightened and the sensor is reattached to the block. A tank solution is available whereby the device is bolted to a weld stud on top of the tank wall. This easy-to-handle solution is shown here. The stud is welded to the tank, the clamp block is tightened down, and the measuring device can be inserted. For easy operation, the indication can be mirror imaged by 180 degrees to match how it is installed. The capacitive key functions match the mirror-imaged screen. Finally, here are all available constellations. Please do get in touch if you can't find your solution among them. We will be glad to offer you a custom solution.